Here's how to live stream on Twitch. So, the first thing we need to do is open an internet browser and search for OBS. Press enter, then open the official OBS Studio website. OBS Studio is a free broadcasting application that allows you to stream your games. From the website, select your operating system. I'm going to choose Windows, and the installer should begin downloading to your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation steps shown on your screen. After OBS Studio has finished installing, open the application. Now, inside OBS Studio, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. From the left-hand menu, select Stream. Click the drop-down menu next to the service and choose Twitch. Then select Connect Account. You can now sign in using your Twitch account. Once you've connected your account, select Video from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll need to choose your base canvas resolution and output scaled resolution. I recommend using 1920 by 1080, but you can also select your monitor's native resolution if you prefer. For FPS, we're going to use 60. If you have a less powerful computer or you're streaming a demanding game, you can reduce this to 30 frames per second. Next, select Audio from the left-hand menu. Click the drop-down next to Desktop Audio and choose your laptop speakers or headphone. Then, click the drop-down next to Mic or Auxiliary Audio and select your dedicated microphone. Once everything is configured, click Apply and then select OK. You may see a couple of additional windows appear. For now, we can simply close them. Down in the audio mixer, you should now see your desktop audio and microphone. You can adjust their volume by moving the sliders up or down. Just make sure your microphone is enabled before starting your stream. Next, we need to choose the game or screen that we want to stream. To do this, click the plus icon next to Sources and select Game Capture. Since I already have a game capture source created, it's showing me that an existing source is available. If you're adding a new game capture, it's essentially the same process. Just select the game capture source you want to use, and then this window will appear. Here, open the drop-down menu and choose Capture Specific Window. Now, click the drop-down next to Window and select the game you want to stream. Make sure the game is already open on your computer so that it appears in this list. Keep in mind that game capture doesn't always work with every game, depending on how that particular game handles screen capture. If it doesn't work, cancel out of this window and click the plus icon again. This time, select Display Capture and click OK. Then, click the drop-down next to Display and choose the monitor you want to capture. You should now be able to see your desktop or screen in OBS, so select OK. You can also add a webcam to your stream if you want to show your face. To do this, click the plus icon under Sources and select Video Capture Device. This window will appear here. Select your webcam from the available devices and click OK. Your webcam will now be added to the streaming output, and you can position it wherever you want on the screen. Once everything is ready, we can start the stream. Simply click Start Streaming in OBS. After a few seconds, OBS should begin sending your stream to your Twitch account. To confirm that everything is working, open Twitch and go to your channel. You should now be able to see that your stream is live. When you're finished streaming, simply return to OBS and click Stop Streaming. This will immediately end your live stream. You can also change details such as your stream title and description. To do this, open Twitch, click your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Creator Dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Stream Manager, and then click Edit Stream Info. Here, you can enter a title for your stream and add a live notification. It's also a good idea to select relevant tags and a category, as these can help viewers discover your stream. Once you've finished making your changes, click Done. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.